welcome back to the vlog. It is a sunny day here in LA. It is Sunday and we are going out to get some breakfast. But first off, we're going to be meeting up with Anthony, and then we're going to convoy and meet up with another group and then drive to Malibu and have breakfast there. I'm with Joey right now, just getting her stuff, and we are in her Eleanor. Just got to the car shop and it's a super quiet Sunday. Anthony just got here. We're picking up my laptop charger because I left it over the weekend. We have Joey's Eleanor right here. Yesterday was a rough incident for us because someone had backed up into Joey and damaged her carbon hood. It's all cosmetic, but it really hurts. And it's Joey's first accident in the Eleanor. And not a happy day yesterday, but everything is repairable, we're all fine, so that's a good thing. From here, we're going to be driving up to Studio City, meeting up with Alvin and a few of his friends, and then making our way down to the PCH and going for breakfast. I'm so hungry. I wonder what cars are going to show up today, and I'm hoping it's going to be a good turnout. Alvin was saying that there are a lot of cops on the PCH, so we got to take it easy today. Thank you. My gas girl.
You have to really push it in you really have to push it in, or if not, it's not gonna work.
So what crazy things did you get up to last night?
Well, I think if I told you, it might be able to be used against us in the court of law.
Oh shit.
We actually got threatened last night by the cops. We went to that place where all the movies are filmed, like The Dark Knight and stuff, you know, the like kind of like overpassy thing.
Yes.
Where all the homeless people sleep.
Yeah.
After we did some tunnel runs, and a
trouble?
cop came, and literally just kind of was like hanging out at the opposite end with his lights off, just like
Waiting.
with a spotlight on us every once in a while, just waiting for us to, like, I don't know, do donuts or something stupid. And then he finally came over and said something like, you know, we're gonna review the footage from the tunnel, and if any of you guys, you know, if any of your cars were there tonight, we're gonna basically impound all you guys. Actually, some rapper, I'm probably gonna butcher his name, Young Dolphin, Little Dolphin, someone new blowing up in the scene was like also filming like a rap video, obviously without a permit, but yeah, you know, because we kind of crashed his little tunnel experience doing a couple flybys. He didn't look too impressed.
Vlog live. Gotta create content. You're now $21. Just waiting for Alvin. We're up here in the valley and it's super hot. I should message him. So finally met up with the group and we're headed down to Malibu. some odd reason, it's so traffic here on the 10 going into the PCH, and according to Waze, there seems to be a lot of traffic reports. Not sure if there's any accidents, but it wants us to reroute and skip the first part of PCH. Right now in our lineup, we have Alvin in his Huracan Performante, Anthony in his 997 C4S. We have yellow AMG GT, one 570 and one 650 in the lineup. So yeah, Waze wants us to exit, but I guess we're just gonna stay put unless I ask Alvin what's up. Super traffic.
Burns oil like crazy. My RA was the same way.
I think it's the Lambo problem, right? Even the Mercedes burn oil.
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, I mean it's Chevron brand, so it can't be too bad.
Is it too loud?
It's kind of hard being behind you.
Alvin hates it. I do it on purpose next to Alvin. And his girlfriend found out I was coming and she didn't know. Because she hates it.
I do love how you slammed the car.
Yeah.
Good ride height, although I know it's super hard
low.
with this.
Yeah.
The front end of the McLaren is so long.
So it's got the four-wheel lift, so it makes it easier, but even the four-wheel lift, all the way up, it's still lower than stock.
That's how I noticed. I drove by, I'm like, wait, how are you riding so low? Anyway, enough car talk, let's go eat.
Let's go eat.
Are you hangry? Me too.
Right.
I'm getting there.
All I did was just hyperventilate and cry.
All Alvin's fault.
It's the V10. It's Audi's fault.
Yeah. I love this place.
I've never been.
Oh, cool.
Ah, fail. No reservations, no table. It's a 40 minutes wait and we're off to another restaurant. It's all his fault again. Ah, okay. Suck it up, a few more minutes and we're gonna go eat. I'm confused. Why didn't Alvin get reservations?
Because you're all concerned about just driving. It's all you supercar people do. Just want to drive, make noise, go fast. All you guys.
Not all the time.
I just want to eat. Speedy. the speed limits.
We are in the speed limits.
We're on a canyon. There's no talk of being on a canyon.
This is the detour. At least there's fences.
But it's beautiful. See? That's a tunnel.
Oh my god, quick, get the tunnel.
It's on you! Okay, entering tunnel. Oh dear.
This car sounds so good in the tunnel. Oh my god, with the manual transmission and the tunnel, and it's just like lost control, put in second. I think we need to adjust the clutch a little because I'm having a hard time shift quickly through the gears. But besides that, I love that Joey agreed to do this manual conversion. So much fun.
It's so much fun holding this damn camera while you're going through the frickin' tunnel. I think I screamed louder than my car. Shit I go through. Swear to God.
Vlog live.
Vlog life. Should be like wife of a vlogger. You know what? Vlogger spear. I've been saying to Ange that it's only men that give me thumbs up. I don't have any women. There's no girls that are giving me any thumbs up for the car. And Ange says it's because girls don't want to give the idea that they're trying to give a thumbs up because they think the car is owned by a guy. So if there's any girls out there who know my car and see me on the street, you can give me a thumbs up and I'll totally like say hi back. I'd love to have one girl that does that. That'd be great. Just saying. Besides you, Lenny. But you got the car made for me.
Not sure if we got some audio clips of this car popping and banging. It was so loud. Bit obnoxious like the owner.
Hi, sorry.
Sorry, not really sorry. I'm gonna downshift beside you.
Thank you again for the ride.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
So did you make reservations here?
Yeah, no.
No, he just called.
I just called. Okay, you can wait, right?
Oh, it's okay. Intermittent fasting.
How's it going, guys? Good. So Magnus is here visiting from Sweden,
Yeah.
and his house is about less than an hour drive from the Koenigsegg factory.
Finally, breakfast is here. Got Ava toast, of course, Los Angeles. Side of bacon again. Douse it with lemon, some hot sauce and pepper. I'm gonna eat now. See you guys in a bit. Ah, yes, we're finally fed and we're out. Thanks to Alvin for not organizing anything.
Hey, that was pretty good for a 5-minute put together.
We were messaging so long. I thought you were gonna schedule everything. Oh, so hot today.
I bought the meal when we
So we're just gonna do a boring drive through the freeway all the way down back to Beverly Hills. Can't be bothered to go back through the canyons. And we're gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy your Sunday. And check out the cars one last time. Hot, hot, hot. Watch out, babe.